Hey everybody, it's Mario and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because we have a brand new thing to look at that has just arrived. So remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here because we are offering 2 cookies today if you subscribe. And remember to turn on the notification to get notified when I upload. Probably in the next few months when Legend of Zelda comes out. Because this is all to do with Nintendo. Oh, sorry, Mario. Sort of decapitated Mario's legs. Right. Inside we have packaging, my favourite. Oh, and oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Wow, and more packing supplies. Hooray! Hooray for packing supplies! Yay! I don't know, it's so stupid. Yes, so this is the Nintendo World Championships SNES Edition Deluxe Box. So this cost $49.99 to buy. And we have all of this on the back, as you can see. Get a golden card, and we're going to open it, hopefully. Got my trusty scissors, because I don't trust myself in trying to open this, because I actually want to keep this box. What's the easiest way of doing this? Very, very cautious. Very. Oh look, I did it without scissors. Oh, hang on. Time is really difficult bit. Patience. Patience, everyone, is what happens. And now we open up. Oh, it's the inside. See, buy on the eShop, you pay 25 quid, but if you want the deluxe edition, you pay slightly more money. Wow. Oh, wow. It's inside the box, nothing in there. That is a really sick box. I'll give it credit to that. Oh. Oh, that's got weight to it. Right, let's get that back in the box. Let's start off the game. There is the game. There is the back. Can't really see because I've got natural light for once. Let's get this open. I do have a bin behind me to chuck a load of stuff in. So this game is basically speedrunning. Something I have done in the past. Here's the game. I'm half expecting there to be at some point just a dog's head laying here because she's currently stretching towards me. There is the inside. Oh wow, I didn't realise all the different games that you've got. There's your little game card and everything in there. I'd say pretty sick inside, pretty cool. That's sort of like not the reason why I got it. It's for all of this. Yeah, so we're going to more in here than I thought. Let's get these out of shot. Let's do this. I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing I open it up at the top. Yeah, looks about right. Oh wow. Oh. Oh mate, these are really nice and premium quality. Oh, they've got art on the back. So we've got Kirby's Adventure. We're going to go backwards. We've got the Lost Levels. Again, pretty sick. We got the Adventures of Link. Not one of my favourite games, but we'll Link 2. Oh, that is sick. Super Mario Bros. 3. These art cards Premium. We've got Balloon Fighters and Balloon Fighters. We've got Ice Climbers. A Nana. I'm not sure. We've got Excite Bike. I love Excite Bike. There's probably a dog groaning in the back. So Mario 2. A Dreaming Mario. These are sick. These art cards are like nice and pretty. Kid Icarus Uprising. It's another good game. We've got Donkey Kong. It's pretty cool. Metroid. Again, art cards for Premium. Legend of Zelda, the original. And then we got the main man himself. So those are really cool art cards. I have to give credit to Nintendo. They seem to have nailed the art cards. Now I've got to try and figure out how to get it in. I'll do that later. We'll go with whatever this is next, because I actually can't remember everything that they say. I remember the art cards and the game, and the real reason why I bought it is for whatever this is for. But apart from that, here she comes, just creeping more and more forward. Oh dear, got it stuck. Oh dear. Bin. We've got this, which looks sick. So inside there was felt. Remove the felt. Oh, that's sick. And the pin badges. Oh, you can't really see because of the light reflection. Or Mario, Link, the game, Metroid, and Donkey Kong. Oh, that'd be cool to display. Wow. I'm going to have fun making the thumbnail for this video. Wow. And then last but not least, is sort of like the real reason why I bought this. So you got the... Oh, it says Nintendo on it. Oh, that's sick. Why is everything so cool? And this is the reason why I bought it. So people who don't know, I'm 23 of this video going out. My first ever gaming memory was when I was 6 years old and I played the original Mario Bros on NES. So when I heard that they were making one of these replica cartridges, I had to get the game. Because it just throws me back to the past. My sister introduced me to the world of gaming, and the NES was the first ever game I played, or console I ever played on. That is... Oh, you can't see because of the light. That is sick! Holy... That is amazing. That is super amazing. I mean, overall, I'm quite impressed with everything that you get with this... upgrade. Now, thank you as much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe on this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one, which will probably be September when I unbox the Legend of Zelda new game. See you guys later.